North American, we're out in Massachusetts. We've just installed this Universalift 8000 FP XLT. It's a 127-inch ceiling. We have the Mustang up top, which is about 54 inches with the convertible top up as you see it, and then the Prius down below, which I think is another 54 inches. And as you can see, we have room above both vehicles. Plenty of height. You know, that's 6 inches right there. You know, so where does my shaky camera work? But if you have a residential garage and you have the height of you calculate the height of the two vehicles plus 8 inches, and you can install a lift and park your daily driver underneath your toy. As you see, give us a shout. We'll make it happen for you. Save you a bunch of money on storage.